Hello children, welcome back to my talks, and this class is for standard 10th English. Okay, so we are going to start with lesson number 7. Okay, Glimpses of India. We have already finished 2 parts of it, Baker from Goa and Kurg, that is already over, and today we are going to do the third part, that is Tea from Assam, and the author is Arup Kumar Datta. So let us begin with Tea from Assam. Okay, and the author Arup Kumar Datta. So this story, 2 boys are there, that is Rajveer and Pranjal, and they are traveling on their way to Assam. They are on their way to Assam and they are traveling. Okay, so there what happens, normally children, when we go in train, when we travel from one place to another, okay, chai wala comes, the tea vendor comes, okay, and you know the sound which they make, tea, chai garam, so that is what was happening, chai garam chai, okay, and they also took tea and they sipped it, they started drinking the tea. So Rajveer told Pranjal that over 8 lakh cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. Okay, so quite many people are lovers of tea and they really take tea. They cannot stay without tea. Okay, I am also one of them. So now tea gardens and scene. So Rajveer looked at the beautiful scenery outside. Okay, Rajveer for the first time was traveling to Assam. So he was very enthusiastic and he was looking outside the beautiful scenery outside the train. Okay, and Pranjal kept on reading his detective book. He was reading a book, kept on reading that book, and it was complete greenery outside. And soon what happened, the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. So first this it was like a paddy, okay, and after that the tea bushes they could see, and the tea bushes, it spread till the eyes could see. As far as eyes could see, the tea bushes could be seen. And there were shade trees also over the areas, big trees, shady trees also, and in the distance there was a building, an ugly building, and it was a tea garden, you can say. It was completely a tea garden. So next, they were actually in Assam, and as it is said, the tea state, isn't it? And that's the largest concentration of tea plantations in the world. Okay, Assam has the largest concentration, and Rajveer told Pranjal that no one really knew who discovered tea actually, and there are many stories about it. Got it? So first story is Chinese. The Chinese emperor, once what he did, he always used to boil water and drink. One day he added few leaves of branches burning under the pot. Okay, no, what happened, he was boiling the water, and he was boiling the water with you can say some of the branches under the pot, and few of the leaves from those branches fell into that water, and it gave a very delicious flavor. Okay, and those were tea leaves. This is the Chinese legend. The next one is Indian. Okay, and here it says that Bodhidharma, that is a Buddhist monk, okay, he cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditations. So what did this monk do? अपने eyelids को, ऊपर वाले पलकों को उसने काट दिया because he was feeling sleepy. Okay, and then the tea plants grew out of his eyelids, and then finally what happened? It is just a story, children. So out of those eyelids the tea plants came, and these leaves when put in hot water and drunk, okay, it is believed कि जब आपको नींद आ रही है और आपने चाय पी लिया तो आपकी नींद गायब हो जाएगी. It is because of that. That is the Indian legend. And then tea and China, how they are related. Rajveer, again Pranjal is new to this place, and Rajveer has been telling the stories. So Rajveer tells Pranjal that tea was first drunk in China, and it was like in 2700 BC. Okay, words like chai and chini are all Chinese. Okay, and tea came to Europe only in 16th century, and it was then drunk more as medicine. It was medicinal instead of like today out of love we take it, but when it started it was as medicine. Then both of them reached the place, and they got down at Mariani Junction. It is Mariani Junction, and they were driven to Dekhiabari Tea Estate. So it is a tea plantation, okay, and they reached Dekhiabari Tea Estate, and on both sides of the road there were acres and acres of these tea bushes, okay, and women with bamboo baskets, okay, they went about plucking those tea leaves from them. Got it? And then Rajvir's knowledge about tea plantation. So Pranjul's father received them there. Pranjul's father was there, okay, and they had come in the sprouting season. Sprouting means the tea leaves would sprout, and that sprouting season lasts from May to July, okay, and it gives out the best tea during this particular period. Rajvir told this to Pranjul's father, okay, and he told Rajvir that he knew many things about tea plantation. Okay, he had come to visit her, but he also must have studied, investigated. Okay, so Rajvir told him that he would learn more about them there. So he knew more, but he was told that he will come to know more about it. Okay, children. So this is the story. Okay, tea from Assam, and few of the highlights or the main points I would like to enumerate once. Okay, so Pranjul and Rajvir are both traveling by train to Assam. Okay, Rajvir was enjoying beautiful scenery outside as the train is running, and there's greenery everywhere as far as their eyes can see. The greenery gives place to tea bushes, okay, and then Assam tea gardens are famous all over the world as it has largest plantations. The Chinese are said to have discovered tea, okay, and there's an Indian legend that Bodhidharma discovered tea. From the China, tea went to European countries and then to countries in Asia. Pranjul's father is the manager of Dekhiabari tea garden. Okay, groups of tea pluckers pluck tea leaves, and the sprouting period is from May to July, which yields the best tea. Okay, that is what Rajvir learns. Okay, so with this we complete this portion and the complete chapter Glimpses of India. Okay, children, hope you must have understood, and as always I have been telling you, if you have not subscribed to the channel and you are just seeing it with my link, please do subscribe the channel. It will be useful for you whenever the tests are there, whenever the exams are there. You can always go to the channel yourself and you can revise it. Okay, do share it with your friends in different schools who are there in standard 10th, and do, when you are watching it, do give a like. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.